WowKidz Fun N Learn. Hello friends! Today let's play bowling game. Here it is! Crazy Strike Bowling! We can play it outdoor or indoor. 2 to 4 players can play at a time. It's for kids aging 3+. Let's turn over. Let's see what's inside. Let's open it up. Let's see what this is. All right. Let's open it up. We have 2 rubber bands. Let's keep them aside. And then we have 4 cards. 1 for each game. Remember, we have 4 games in this set. So we place the card here, whichever game we wish to play. For now, let's keep them aside. And what do we have here? The bowling pins. Bowling balls. And this one's for golf. Now we're gonna play the bowling game. Let's arrange the board. We have 2 rubber bands. Let's place them here. One at a time. Gotta stretch it from this point to that point. Let's place the second one now. Now let's place the bowling pins and the ball. Alright, hold on. We don't want this one because it's gonna be used in golf. So let's keep it aside. From the 4 cards, we're gonna pick the bowling one. Let's keep the other 3 aside for now. Let's place this card here in the slot. And there's another one on the other side. So let's place the card in these slots. So we're gonna insert these 2 parts in the 2 slots like this. Now we're gonna set, these are the bowling pins and these are the balls with which we're gonna strike the pins. This is the holding tray for the bowling pins, and let's place all the pins in the holes right here. We have 2 extra bowling pins. We'll keep that aside. So for this game, we will require this ball which has 3 holes. And the other 3 are for the other 3 games. Let's keep them aside for now. Let's place the ball in front of the striker. This is a card which goes here, in this slot. Let's insert it properly so that it's fixed. Let's remove the tray now, very carefully. So we're gonna start the game by striking the ball. We're gonna pull this back and place the ball under the ring and strike! Oh, it did take off, but I missed the shot. So it's my opponent's turn. Well, that wasn't a very good shot. Let me try once. Let's place the ball under the ring and strike. Uh-oh, didn't go far enough. My opponent's chance. Alright, that didn't reach either, so we both have failed so far. Let's take 2 more chances here. No! It didn't touch the pins yet. Better luck next time. Alright, I think it's not a good day for both of us. Let's pack it up and try another game. We'll come back to this later. When we have better luck. Let's wrap it up. Bye-bye. WowKidz Fun N Learn. Fun and Learn. Please subscribe to our channel today.